Hello, you guys. Happy Friday. Are you excited? I'm Kay of Stars Beads, and I'm just popping on just to remind you that tonight is a big night because it's Friday Night Live, and we are going to be debuting some beautiful components here tonight. We're going to be showing off some fabulous pearls. So if you're never known what Friday Night Live is, come join the party. It's a fun sip and shop till you drop, until I drop, you know, and playing with whatever components and things that I've been showing off during the week. And so I am just putting up a reminder to let you guys know that we're doing that tonight. And today we have we wanted to show off some components as our little announcement. So I have Jonah here with me. You want to say hi? Because I think we've got Grandma Janice out there. I think she's watching you. So we've been playing around with pearls and components and showing you fun things that you can do with them. And then tonight they're going to go on to Friday Night Live for sale. And you know, we were messing around, and Jonah was playing with these components and totally made an awesome new component out of the ones that we had gotten in. And so I thought he wanted to show them to you guys. So how does that sound, you guys? What do you think? You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So,
and if you have these tools.
All right, so let me turn the show over to Jonah, and he's going to give us a project today. So Jonah, can you tell us what we're going to need today?
Are they looking at me?
Yeah, they're looking at you.
Okay, so we need these. They're not pliers. They're just flat on the middle.
Well, they're a type of plier. Good job.
Yes. But, and you can make this.
So we had these new components, okay, and we're going to be showing these off live, and so we have these here, okay? And so he wants to show you some different things you can do with them, okay?
So like this one is under that one. That means that made that. So each one of these makes that. So which one?
So these, he was busy bending them, and he'd like to show you one. Which one would you like to show today, Jonah?
First.
Okay, so he's going to show you how he did this.
So first, just close it there and bend it around, and then push the rest with your hand like that, and then push it around until there. And get that until you need it, and then there. Right.
And you guys, check that out. Is that not a super great idea? So we weren't really doing a bead with me, so we're doing a bead with Jonah today. And you know what else I thought? I was like, Jonah, that is so brilliant. I love what you did there. And in fact, we were messing around, and we thought you could even stick a little pearl right into there. Look at that. So this is the one our original prototype when we were doing that, but you could totally stick a pearl up in there and get that wedged in. Okay, so all right, Jonah, that was a great demo.
I'm going to keep doing them, and then if they want any more, I'm going to make more. So this one will make that, and I'm going to do the same, but hold there.
So he has this round one.
You do this and bend that like the other, and if you want it bigger, then bend it a little more, bend it back and get farther and make it better.
So in case you don't have the right size, he's showing you how to adjust it here today. So we're playing with these new stainless steel titanium
I'm not done.
laser cut components. I'm just telling people in case they're just hopping on with us here today. Okay, so you can see some different forms that you can make. And so we were messing around. It looks like this one turns out pretty good with this stainless steel part here.
I'm going to show them how to do this one. It's kind of the same, so I know what to do.
Okay, and then he wants to mess around with a fan here. So that was a style he hasn't tried yet.
So I'm going to try it. I don't know what it's like yet. So I'm going to go like that. And do the same. Bend it around. And whoa. There. I'm going to bend that back a little so we can still make that an earring.
Can I see that? You hold it up for us? Can you hold it up for the camera? Thank you. And you can see these are sturdy enough, but they get manipulated enough. But actually they're pretty sturdy, so you definitely need some plier. I was using a Sharpie messing around with that idea. You can certainly use, I believe there's a tool called Conetastic, or other bases that you could certainly use to help those curvatures, making cool cones and other style components. Okay,
I'm ready.
So
wait, I'm done. Now I'm doing it a second.
Okay, he wants to tell us something else here.
That one is made out of this one. So, if you buy this one, it'll make that. So, then I've got to get these and do the same. So, hold it like this, and then hold that and bend it. There. And if you need, you can adjust it and do it with your hands and make that like that. That was that. Then I'm going to take one more, put it down there.
I think we probably have enough of those ones. We have several of that kind. And there you have it, folks. Some different things you can do with these titanium pieces. Jonah's going to be making some. We might be giving some away for tonight's episode. So join us. There's always new treasures and deals and surprises. Okay, last week it was airplanes by Jonah. So a little bit of fun, you guys. So we hope to see you guys tonight at 8 p.m. Facebook Live, okay? Same place, different time, all right? Same day. So make sure you guys get your rest in and grab something good to drink and feed your people and your animals. And we'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. for a little bit of fun. We're going to be highlighting beautiful pearls and other cool components, okay? Have a good one. We'll see you in a couple hours. Bye.
No, I'm not done. I'm not done.